Give me the gun with the wickedest man. Yo, dog, go on.
Oh, what, brother?
I'm me, man.
Okay, yeah.
The original rude boy. I'm a me say the baddest tattoo artist right now, no?
Dog, but it's not the universe, you know?
For real?
Yeah, man. So what you want? You want something?
Yo, I want a bunch of tattoo for me and them, dog.
Okay, alright.
You see?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yo, want to say yo, me come from yard.
Oh, alright.
Me a bad man.
You're a killer.
Baddest man in Jamaica right now.
See that, daddy. Alright, what else? What
Yo,
else? What you want?
me want to say yo, me a shit for the whole of them boy there. Reach,
Okay.
money I make.
Alright, daddy, come on. You have money?
Oh, I'm tear man. Everything dog, count that. Reach, you know.
Money? Alright,
See your money I
daddy.
make. We good?
Look, dog, we're blessed.
Alright, we're blessed.
Alright,
I'm sort
come on.
everything dog.
Yeah.
You know, come down.
Yeah, me I come.
What is that?
Yeah, dog, you know, say the baddest tattoo.
You really put shit for me on that?
No, daddy, let me explain. You say you're a bad man, you're a killer, dog. Look on the skull, dog. Look on the teeth, them sharp.
The teeth even sharp, dog. That can't kill nobody.
No, look, dog.
How would the bum buck like do to me on
Dog,
that?
look, dog. You say you come from
You
yard.
take man for clown.
No, man, look.
You take me for clown, dog. No, you take man for real.
Calm down, brother. No, look. Say, no,
I'm gonna kill you, dog.
look, you know, say Bob Marley, yeah, dog. You man run. You saying Bob Marley this, dog?
Dog, me didn't even know who that. Me didn't even recognize the man.
What do you mean, dog? No, okay, and look, you say you're a shit pan boy in 2016. I'm looking do look at
Yeah,
this.
so when shit I do on my hand, dog.
No, so when them boy them look pan you and they say no.
You mean you really draw shit on me and dog?
No, bro.
No, you literally draw shit on me and dog.
It's just to let everybody know.
Chef, thanks for watching the shop. Whoa, what are you doing?
Oh, this guy just came in for a tattoo. I seen you do it so many times, I forgot.
Well, I'm rude boy. So you don't come from yard?
Oh, no. I just used to watch all those pasta videos.
You a foreigner?
But I hooked you up though, bro.
No, it doesn't work like that. What are you doing?
No, it's just,
You don't know how to tattoo.
You mean say it? You can't. You mean say you?
No, but I seen you do it so many times. I just figured,
Jesus Christ! So what do
But
they
anyways,
want, man?
yeah, I'll let you do, get back to work and
What?
everything. All right, buddy.
What is that?